In this problem, they give us this symbol, and it says you take the number in front and the number behind it, and that's the same as the first number times the radical of the second number. So we want to determine the value of this expression. So this is the same as 3 radical 2, and this is the same as 5 radical 18. Now to simplify this, we need to take 18 and break it up, because we can break this up into 9 times 2. Now the 9 we can take the square root of, the 2 we cannot. So that means this becomes 3 square root of 2 plus 5. Square root of 9 is 3. So 5 times 3 is 15 times square root of 2. So now that they are like terms, square root of 2 and square root of 2, we add them together. And so we get 18 radical 2. There's our answer, and we're done.